What's more important, total testosterone score or free testosterone? Let's dig into the numbers, because this is one of my big pet peeves. You have doctors out there all the time that are reading one score, and that's the total testosterone score. That's the score that most men are aware of, anywhere from 100 to 1500. And the range is from practically 250 to 915. And if you're anywhere in that range, they'll go, oh, you're normal. Again, let's dig deeper into the numbers. Just because you may have a 600 testosterone score doesn't mean you have normal T. One of the reasons we pull very long lab, 6-7 pages here, is because we're looking at other contributing factors that may be diminishing or making that total testosterone score false. One of them, estradiol, estrogen. When a man's or woman's testosterone is elevated, a lot of the times there's a high level of estrogen that's basically counteracting that testosterone, robbing you of that testosterone. If you have high T but high estrogen, you don't have high T. Another important factor is another test that most people aren't running. It's called SHBG, sex hormone binding globulin. This is a case I had today where his binding globulin is over 60. That's way off the charts. And basically what that's doing is it's going in and it's robbing the free testosterone. So suddenly this man's 584 testosterone total score is totally useless. What I'm more interested in is free testosterone. This is a much more accurate, effective testosterone. If you're looking at a doctor or a clinic to go see, ask them, are you just pulling total testosterone? What other factors need to be included? In your mind, you can remember estradiol. That's a very important one. SHBG, sex hormone binding globulin. These are important factors, and you can't just simply pull one number. One of the reasons they do that, honestly, is because of cost. They're trying to save money on a blood panel by not adding extra panels and then charging you full price. At my clinic, our panel's so long, honestly, it's expensive, and my negotiated rate is actually $250. I don't make a nickel on testosterone, on actually blood panels. But I want to see everything so I can actually help people. So, it's not a profit model for us, but most doctors, it's a big part of their profit model, is make money on the blood, make money on the doctor's visit, make money on the meds. I'd rather let's get it right, order the right amount of labs so we can see everything. I mean, shoot, just this year we've saved 4 men's lives that had prostate cancer and they didn't know it. Why? Because we pulled the right amount of numbers. We're able to see that the prostate numbers, the PSA, was elevated. Make sure you ask these questions. It's very important when you're determining a wellness clinic or even a doctor's that's checking your health. Make sure they're pulling the right amount of labs. Guys, as always, we put these videos out all the time, and the main reason is just to help people. It's not to drum up business. It's because we have a passion about living your best life and doing things the right way, which unfortunately, many of my colleagues are doing things the wrong way, and they're profiting from it. Like and subscribe, hit the button so that you can be notified for all the useful content we try to put out to help you change your life.